First, we remove the tool's hammer to take out the motor. The test of the motor is to determine if it meets our output standard values. Then, take the positive and negative wires. The red wire connects to the positive terminal. The black wire to the negative terminal. Next, provide power to it. The battery has to be good. At this time, we connect the motor's negative end to the negative pole and the positive end to the positive pole. Then, we switch to motor test. Start the motor. The motor doesn't move much. The motor moves, but not smoothly. At this time, we prepare a new motor. Similarly, the motor's positive end connects to the positive terminal, the negative end to the negative terminal. Check the voltage status here. It is 20 Vi, generating a load close to 20 Vi. At this time, the two data will be closed. The inspection of the motor is complete.